Exploratory Spanish class exposes students to the Spanish language with the ultimate goal of enriching the students' understanding of other cultures. In other instances, the goal may be to help their academic decisions regarding future course selections in high school. You have an exploratory Spanish curriculum inside the community website. It includes a Google Slides schedule to help guide you through the resources provided by Speaking Latino that you can use with your exploratory class. Here's how to access it. First, log into the community and click on the Exploratory Spanish section in your dashboard. Then download the Exploratory Spanish 50-lesson schedule slides. By just downloading this single file, you have the links to access the individual lessons embedded day by day for the whole year. When you are ready to start planning your classes, just refer to the schedule slides, find the day you are in, and click the lesson plan link that will take you to the download page. Once you open the lesson plan, all the support materials needed, like worksheets, presentations, or handouts, are already linked inside the lesson as well. But if you wish to download all exploratory lessons today, you can find them all organized inside the folder called Daily Quick Lesson Finder. Note that in the Quick Lesson Finder folder, some days are skipped since there are lessons that take more than one day to cover. If you have questions about the Exploratory Spanish curriculum, send us an email at support@speakinglatino.com. We will be happy to help you.